Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn off loop videos on YouTube, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn off the loop mode or the video loop on YouTube, first open up your YouTube app, and after opening your YouTube app guys, open up your any video which you were looping or any video you were watching, and let's pause this. And when we open up our video, you can see the settings or the gear icon available for us at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the settings or the gear icon at the top right where I'm tapping on the video, and you can see the more button available for us. Tap on the more button and tap on the loop video. You can see if it was enabled, this will be on, and if you want to disable or turn it off, tap on it again and it will be disabled from over here on this interface. With that being done guys, this is how you'll be able to turn off loop mode or video loop on YouTube. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.